चाहिए, फिर भी हम यहाँ पे कुछ उन लोगों को बुलाना चाहते हैं। मेरे पास कुछ शर्त है। शर्त ये है उस लेडी के लिए जिसने सबसे लंबा मंगलसूत्र पहना हो। जिसने सबसे लंबा मंगलसूत्र पहना हो, आई वुड लाइक टू कॉल अपॉन द स्टेज। मंगलसूत्र किसने सबसे लंबा पहना है? प्लीज कम। आपको आप में से जिसको भी लगता है कि मंगलसूत्र लंबा, प्लीज कम अपॉन द स्टेज। आई विल चेक। आइए आइए आइए। Those who think have, you know, lots of gold, lots and lots of gold. ये तो खैर दूर से ही मालूम पड़ रहा है। आंटी एक बार शो प्लीज, इधर आके। The length of your मंगलसूत्र। So she is the winner. Actually अपना कंपटीशन में और कोई था नहीं, तो मुझे विनर अनाउंस करना ही पड़ेगा। She is the winner. Please clap for her. आज आप लोग को लंबे मंगलसूत्र की अहमियत मालूम हुई क्या? नेक्स्ट टाइम जब आप किसी भी फंक्शन में जाओगे तो यू वुड टेक आउट दिस मंगलसूत्र। नो, प्रोबेबली दे वुड कॉल आउट फॉर द लॉन्गेस्ट मंगलसूत्र। सो वेयर दिस वन। पर जरूरी नहीं है नेक्स्ट टाइम आपसे मैं मंगलसूत्र के लिए पूछूं। हो सकता है अगले साल के एनुअल फंक्शन में मैं आपसे कुछ और पूछूं। ठीक है? सो वेयर थिंग्स आउट वेरी केयरफुली। एंड नाउ I would like to call upon the stage that gentleman, not lady, that gentleman who has his kid's picture in the purse, in the wallet. Oh my God! So many people are there. Now I would यहाँ पे मुझे टाई करने की, oh my, वाइफ का भी है। ये तो बात आ गई यहाँ पे, गर्व करने वाली बात आ गई। शायद मेरे हस्बैंड के वॉलेट में मेरा फोटो नहीं है। शो योर किड्स पिक। ओके, यशराज इज देयर। हाँ, ईशान इज देयर। क्या बात है, आपके पास भी है। बहुत छोटा हो गया बच्चा आपका। मैं एक टाई करना पड़ेगा यहाँ, मेरे पास और कोई ऑप्शन नहीं है। मुझे आपके नाम बताइए। But stop crying, Pragyan, go back. Okay, kids, बारिश जब भी आती है तो फ्रॉगी आता है। हॉप 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 करके घूमता रहता है। मिट्टी से निकल के अर्थ फॉर्म आता है। स्नेल भी धीरे धीरे चलता रहता है। फ्रॉगी बोला देखो बच्चों मेरा छाता है। मशरूम इसका नाम है, मशरूम इसका नाम है। छम 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 बारिश आए भीग जाते हैं। आओ बच्चों हम तुम मिलके भुट्टा खाते हैं। ला 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 ला। At least someone moves here. Still, they are looking very pretty. Claps for them. Wonderful kids. Thank you, kids. Okay, now next is it's raining, it's raining, it's raining today. Pitter patter, raining today. Frogs are croaking, croaking, croaking today. Pitter patter, raining today. Snails are moving, moving, moving today. Pitter patter, rain today. Mushrooms are growing, growing, growing today. Pitter patter, raining today. Peacocks are dancing, dancing, dancing today. Pitter patter, raining today. Children are playing, playing, playing today. Pitter patter, raining today. Children are jumping, jumping, jumping today. Splish, splash, splish, splash, raining today. Okay, now we will start another song. बच्चों ने कुछ तो movement start किए and really we have liked them. When peacocks are dancing, we said peacocks are dancing. Peacocks started moving a bit. And finally, when we said jumping, they jumped. At least 3 or 4 of kids have jumped. So now we expect in this song, they will dance a very, in a very nice way. Let's clap for them again. Okay. confident now after the performance is over.
We'll be dispersing them from here only, and please be seated with your child only. Don't go. There are so many more programs to come forward.
Okay, what I saw, what I observed, even if you have done, what I observed was Butterfly was doing the perfect role. I mean, roaming around here and there with the flowers. She was not standing at a place. That's why she had a butterfly role. For this this song, we had our students here: Siddhi, Arpit, Abhinav, Aryan, Tavish, Pragyan, Siddhant, Sia, Mihika, Anay, Rishabh, Roshni, Soha, and Arya.
Excuse me, parents. Please be seated. I'll call out the name of the child and then you come forward. Okay? Don't gather near the stage. I'll call out the name of the child. As soon as I call out, you can come here. Thank you.
Okay. So the flowers are getting dispersed into the hall. Butterflies are going to sit at a place which is actually not possible, but you parents have to make it possible. Until then, please enjoy another dance performance from students of kids and dance class only. Sia. Yes. Still, I would like to. Okay. No. Still, I would like to clap for all the very, very small kids. They are just 1.5 year old, 2.5 years old. I mean, not very big kids. You know how to manage them. कितना मुश्किल होता है. And to get coordinated. Oh. अभी ना. आप लोग एंजॉय कर रहे हैं प्रोग्राम बच्चों का? I could not hear you. Are you guys enjoying? See, we cannot expect kids to perform at our level, right? Whatever they are doing, they are coming on the stage. That's the biggest thing. They are getting prepared while crying. They are getting prepared. They are getting their makeups done. They are getting their props, overloaded. जितना उनका weight है, उसको देखकर they are really the performance. Soha. Oh my God, someone help her. How beautiful. I'm really loving this. See how happy they are. They were not so happy after performance, but they are happy to get you back. So next time we expect they are grown up. Their performance, grow better. They dance a lot. They don't cry and they sing with me. Enjoy the claps. Now, meanwhile, I would like to call upon the stage nursery students who are going to perform. No, I would not tell the song's name. I would just like to tell you that what they are going to show you is the immense happiness of their hearts. Let me show you, let us show you that how they show it. Okay, I would like to call upon the stage Gargi, Pranshu, Tanmay, Ayushi, Titiksha, Rishan, Harsh, and Sansiddhi. Okay, I guess they are still getting ready. So many kids, so much of preparation. अच्छा एक बात पूछूं, मैं दिख रही हूँ आपको? Am I visible properly? Really? Okay, actually मेरी height थोड़ी कम है ना, मैं इसके लिए पूछ रही हूँ. बच्चे तो छोटे हैं, वो सामने आ जा रहे हैं, मैं किधर हूँ? मैं सामने नहीं आ सकती. That's why I was asking. Okay. तब तक हम लोग थोड़े जोक्स शेयर कर लेते हैं या फिर कुछ बातें शेयर कर लेते हैं स्कूल के बारे में. The school Kids 10, the name shows itself. Kids 10 means a house of kids, big house for beautiful kids, wonderful kids. अभी इसको 1 साल ही हुए हैं. We have just grown for 1 year and we have wonderful kids there for pre-nursery and nursery classes. Now you see the performance. This is all just a fruit of 1 month effort. 1 month effort. What if we go for other other activities? हम आगे बढ़ते हैं.